Hello everyone, today I'm going to build this set 195 airplane building set with people. This set is released in 1975. Have 89 pieces of part. The front look like that and the back. Okay, let me show you what inside in the box. So here is the instruction of this set, and this one I think is the catalog. So let's see what they have in 1975. You can see at that time they don't have the regular minifigure. They have this kind of the figure. You see the city set doesn't have any minifigure. Okay. And here's all the parts. Let's build it. The instruction is very simple. Only have 1 to 6 to complete the model. Okay, let's see. For the figure, you can just change the hair piece. This one is the girl hair piece, and if you change to this one, it will become a boy. Let me see how to remove this. Okay. You see, after remove the head, it look like that. And here is the cap. Okay, the model is finished. Let me show you the model. Although this set is already have 47-year-old, but the brick quality is very good. So when I'm building that, I feel the crunch power on the brick is very strong. I think even stronger than what we have the modern brick. It's very difficult to remove. It's very impressive for the quality of Lego brick, and that is one of the reasons why they are so expensive toy. So after 47 years, you see all the brick is still in very good condition. So this one is very simple model, and at the back of the box they have the other models suggest you to build, but I am not going to build that because it's very obvious simple model. So okay, today video is that's it. I hope you like my video. Okay, bye bye.